Psst! You wanna know how to paint a better Omegon thread effect? Hello Alpha Legion lovers, Night Lord players, Tau players and maybe Stormcast players or everyone who wants to paint a cloaking effect with some electrical lines. Let's paint the Omegon Thread Effect 2.0. First of all, you need a painted model and some masking putty. Put the masking putty on that area you want to look like disappearing. Be sure to be as neat as possible and use sculpting tools to achieve that. Get your airbrush ready and some calibrate green to spray on top of the masking putty. Stay to the edge where the masking putty hits the painted model and just don't overdo it. By using masking putty we can simulate a kind of movement of the camo effect. Now get some verdigris or mix calibrate green and white 1:1 to enlighten the effect a little bit. Get rid of the masking putty and then you can see that we have a decent effect on just one side of our painted transition. Now let's paint some lightning. Grab Monument Colors white and your favorite brush with a fine tip and start painting the lightning effect with small strokes. And if you don't know how to paint it, just watch the first Omegon Thread tutorial where I go deeper in the painting technique of painting lightning effects. Paint short lines and connect the ends to each other. Try to avoid painting on the side not painted by the airbrush. This is how we can simulate movement of the energy. And that's it, a pretty good result already, but I want to take it even further by painting a little shadow onto the effect to make it look like one layer of liquid armor is going on another. So take a blender black and your wet palette and a very good amount of water to thin it down to a wash-like consistency. Layer the abandoned black until you're happy with the depth of the shadow. Take your time. The more layers you do, the darker the shadow gets. And there we go, the finished effect, which looks like moving energy with two layers. With calibrate green I took a blue-green to get a high contrast on the Blood Angel's red. For Imperial Fists I would choose a purple, and so on. By using the techniques in this video and choosing a high contrasting color you can achieve a very good decloaking or cloaking effect in general. And if you don't have an airbrush, you can also layer the blue-green color or every color you choose. Here I used some fluorescent colors to push the effect to the best. And if you don't have a contrasting color, like on this granite, you can choose whatever color you like or does fit your Alpha Legion best. You can also use the effect on Tau stealth suits to make them look like merging with the ground. Just be sure to use the same base colors as on the base. If you liked that video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and definitely check out my Instagram to see more pictures of camo effects on miniatures. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.